Market consensus predicts that interest rates would be increased by 75 basis points this week. But economists say that the size of the hike will depend on the Reserve Bank's assessment of both the inflation and growth outlook. Some expect the interest rate to increase by only 50 basis points.
Looking ahead to the SABC meeting this week, another interest rate hike is definitely on the cards. But the size of the hike will depend on the SAB's assessment of both the inflation and growth outlook. Also, their view on the current levels of the rand exchange rate. And then we're also awaiting the Fed's decision on interest rates on Wednesday night, which will be an important input to the SAB's deliberations.
Economists believe that the July CPI of 7.8% would have been the upper turning point of the current headline CPI cycle. The possible increase in interest rate will also be exacerbated by numerous headwinds to growth in the economy, such as load shedding. Economists say that there's a lot of pressure on the Reserve Bank to hike interest rates in line with global central banks, but are optimistic that the Reserve Bank could slow down the pace of interest rate hikes in the near future. Naledi Matlapeng, SABC News, Johannesburg.